Hello everyone, everything good? My name is Erica, and today I'm here to share very important information about FOLIFORT that you need to know if you are going to buy this product. But first I want to warn you about scams that are happening, in case you don't buy it on the official website. So to help you, I left the official link of the site below, in the description of the video. So you don't run the risk of buying a counterfeit product. Careful, okay. You may be wondering if FOLIFORT works, and yes, it is fantastic. It is an effective hair growth supplement that offers several benefits, including restoring lost hair and increasing volume, strength, and shine. FOLIFORT is an all-natural hair growth supplement that helps reverse the signs of hair loss and encourages healthy, natural hair growth. The best results come when you take FOLIFORT consistently for 3 to 6 months to give your hair time to regrow and regain its strength. Therefore, it is strongly recommended to do the complete treatment of 3 or 6 bottles. And it can be used by women or men who suffer from hair loss, baldness, weak hair. Suitable for people between 30 and 70 years of age. The natural hair restorer that helps in strengthening and preventing hair loss contains vitamins B5, zinc, biotin, white peony root, among many others. All ingredients are antibiotic-free, sourced from non-GMO cultures, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with absolutely no animal testing involved. And it follows the latest GMP guidelines and procedures. FOLIFORT has been standing out in the market because it has proven to be effective for the vast majority of people who take it. Really fantastic. Even on the sales page, which I left here at the link below, there are people reporting the results they had after using it of that product. But it is very important for you to know that you have to test this product to see if it will work for you, because each organism works in a different way. If your experience is not 100% satisfactory, you can request a refund within 60 days of purchase. The cool thing is that your order arrives directly at your house in a period of 5 to 7 business days. Delivery is very fast. So that's it. Hope it helped. Thank you. Bye.